not been completely honest with you guys, and I have been dreading showing the internet this photo because like once you put it out, it's like you can't take it back. Let me give you a little bit of backstory, because when I talk about my hair growth journey, people will say, oh, she naturally has beautiful hair, she's Indian, it's genetic. And while those factors definitely play a role, it's also looked like this. Around 2019, I started seeing major hair loss. And this is what my entire hair series was about when I said, I'm gonna tell you some Ayurvedic secrets just this one time, that whole joke. It was about the hair that I grew back from 2019 to about 2021. That Ayurvedic journey was all about turning back to what has worked for my mother, her mother's mother, and what makes sense for me, my dosha type, and really honing in on like natural remedies for hair growth. That hair loss, I really believe, was from stress. It was from moving to a new environment. I went vegetarian vegan without doing protein replacements. I think the water in San Francisco was really harsh and really bad for my scalp. I was just under so much stress. Like, I didn't have a job for a couple of months. My parents didn't know about my relationship at the time, and I felt pressure to tell it. Like, there was so many things, like big life things going on, that I just didn't really channel my anxiety into anything. And I think it just got channeled into my hair loss. Instead of, you know, talking to someone or meditating, I just kind of let it simmer in my mind. And I think that's where all of the stress related hair fall came out.